Hi, so the short name for the project is EV-Accel, and it stands for Accelerating the Integration of Electric Vehicles in a Smart and Robust Electricity Infrastructure. So better, easier short for Accel. As I mentioned before, well, I forgot here to put our own logo. So this is a cooperation between KTH, Ellevio, and Energía Indigente as a financer. And well, where we will be carrying the network modeling, power flow analysis, and calculations, and the project leadership at KTH. And Ellevio will be contributing with data about different districts that we will look at, and their expertise on analysis of the network, and also in helping us identify mechanisms in which our analysis can support their daily work about connecting electric vehicles. So next slide. When it comes about the aim, I mean, we set up the aim to see if we can establish a new standard for PV allowance factors that kind of enable people working at the DSO to rapidly assess the network's congestions, or whether to know the existing coincidence factor in the network, depending on which level of aggregation we're looking at, and whether a new connection of these many electric vehicles that has a specific behavior will make things worse, and will it match more with the Saman-Lognings effect, or will it be okay compared to what is existing there? So yeah, this drawing just tries to show that we will look at different aggregating factors and different voltage levels to see if connections at the lowest level of power will really affect the highest level of power, and kind of say something of whether the network is well dimensioned. And then in parallel, I mean, while doing that, we will also identify existing bottlenecks there. So yeah, as activities, I named them here to the right. We will try to base our study by identifying and selecting 4 relevant areas, trying to encompass different type of customer substations. And we will do our power flow analysis to calculate these power simultaneity factors due to EV charging, due to smart EV charging, or base case without any EV charging. So in that way, we will also look at the possibility of load management strategies to alleviate the power congestions. And as one of the key aims, we will list 5 key investment priority areas in the Stockholm region for the short and long term. And yeah, this is a project, basically.